Is your hair thinning? Stay tuned so you can find out how to help with that. Okay, there's many variations of hair thinning and hair loss. It could be high cholesterol, it could be lack of vitamins, it could be thyroid, it could be stress. There's a lot of issues that cause thinning hair. Also diet and making sure you're hydrated. So here is what we are going to go through. First you need a scalp massager, and then you need a scalp brush like this. Okay, every night you have to brush your hair to get all the loose strands. Then you want to take a massager and you kind of just want to massage your head all over. You know, take 15 minutes to a half hour just to massage to get blood flow to your scalp. Make sure you do this daily. It's not good to shampoo your hair often. It's recommended to do that once or twice a week for shampooing. Make sure when you're shampooing, you're always shampooing twice, then conditioning. But if you're the type of person that feels like you need to wash your hair every day, just try to wet it and really get it scrubbing with your fingers in one of these in the shower. And apply conditioner to your ends and rinse it out. Just don't shampoo all the time because you want those oils to actually coat your hair for a little bit to nourish it. This video is going to show you what you need to do once a week, but I recommend doing it twice a week for about a month and then switching down to once a week. First, you're going to need one of these. When your hair is dry, you just want to take the brush and you want to get all the flakes that you can off of your scalp, okay? Just really scrub your scalp with this. What you want to do is after you brush the scalp, you want to take the dropper and you want to base your scalp, all of your scalp. Massage it in with your fingertips and this. Really get those oils in there. Then you want to put a bag on and leave it anywhere from an hour to 3 hours. After those hours are up, you want to take something called bentonite clay. It's a powder. You want to mix it with vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or water, but I prefer apple cider vinegar. Then you want to apply that paste to your scalp. So you want to section, apply the paste, section, apply the paste, section it. Leave that in to start 5 minutes and eventually work your way up to 10 minutes. After that is done, you want to rinse it out in the shower. Then you want to shampoo your hair twice. After you shampoo twice, then you want to take an apple cider vinegar rinse. You apply it to your scalp, massage it in. It'll suds up like a shampoo. Leave it in for 5 minutes. After that is done, rinse it out, apply conditioner to your end, and rinse out. When you get out of the shower, take your batana oil again, put a few drops in, put it in, and work it through your scalp to your ends. And take rose water, apply that in a spray bottle with a little bit of water, and then spray it on your hair after you get out of the shower. Work it all through your scalp to your ends. The whole time that you're in the shower and you're shampooing and doing all this, make sure you use this brush to shampoo and scrub. Condition, scrub. Your shampoos are important. Remember, you want to shampoo for the hair you have and condition for the hair you want. If you have fine hair, you want to use volumizing or thickening shampoo. If you want shiny hair, you use a moisturizing or a glossing shampoo. You want body, you use a bodifying shampoo. Condition for the hair you want, shampoo for the hair you have. If your hair is dry, you use shampoo for dry hair. But if you want it to be moisturized, then you use a moisturizing or something along those lines. But your best products, because if your hair is thinning, is to use thickening shampoos and conditioners. Preferably, there are some like Paul Mitchell Scalp Care. There's things like Nioxin and so forth. Another trick is if you really are risky and you really want to dare it, because I'm not a professional, but they say if you use Monistat will actually help you grow your hair. So you can apply that to your thin spots, and over several weeks that area will fill in, but you will also lose it once you stop using it. It's kind of like minoxidil. Remember to brush your hair every day and to use one of the scalp massagers or your hands and massage your scalp every day at least 10 to 15 minutes. Also, the rose water is good for your skin too. If you want to use that on your skin, you can spray it on. Don't ever tie your hair when it's wet. Hair stretches when it's wet, and when it dries, it'll add tension on the banding area. If you are going to use rubber bands or hair ties, there's a certain special tie. I'm going to be adding it into this list on my Amazon. That way you can look at those hair ties and possibly buy those if you'd like them. I do make commissions off my Amazon affiliate, but it's the best and fastest way to make a cart and put it together and bundle it so that way you can shop at your own leisure time. I also included inside of this list a hair, skin, and nails supplement that does contain vitamin D and the B complex vitamins, which is important for hair growth because it has biotin and omegas and so forth. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't be afraid to comment on the video. That way I can answer your questions and address them properly. Thank you, and happy hair growing. Right here is your 7 to 10 day challenge. Just take a pause at this video, screenshot it, read it, look at it, use it, analyze it, and make sure this is a major tool in your daily life. The Dr. Sebi Alkaline Cookbook, along with the Dr. Sebi Anti-Inflammatory Diet, so you can understand the readings. The rose water is so that way you could add a capful into your tea or coffee in the morning and night, or in your just regular plain drinking water, and sip throughout the day. This oil right here is to rub counterclockwise on your abdomen. This is the spray that you spray on the bottom of your feet morning and night. Here's your milk thistle, your fenugreek, your vitamin K2 and D3, your aloe vera gel to put into your drinks as well with the rose water, iron tablets, B complex, prebiotic and probiotic to help with your gut system, the manuka honey sticks to add to your teas and coffees. So you want to mix the peppermint tea with this special turmeric ginger cinnamon tea to help with your system. These are the products that you would need alongside doing the 7-day detox and doing a 2 to 3 day water fast. Also, there are different stretches and poses for certain illnesses that you can use. If you have belly aches, just look up on YouTube stretches for belly aches, and it'll take you to videos, and you just do a 5 to 10 minute video and it'll help.